Hi, Susan here. Let's give you an update on what's going on, and that's what's next. Okay guys, besides the coronavirus pandemic, it's been about 5 weeks since I've been in this isolation and not working the day job. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm not sure how you guys are doing. I'm hoping that we're going to be more motivated to go forward and do things that are going to be helpful for us in the near future. And that's why I'm doing this PSA. I wanted just to give you a little update on what's going on with my channel and what direction I'm going in right now because of the state we're in. Not too long ago, I did a video on the face mask, and I did it before really reviewing too much of what needed to be done with the face mask, but I have a very good video on how to make face masks for yourself without a sewing machine, by yourself, using just a shirt, a man's shirt, woven shirt. I have since improved that, and I did upload a pattern that you guys can download. Over 100 people have already downloaded my pattern and gone through my video. I have updated the pattern a little bit further to make it cup underneath the chin better, and now I'm going to be offering it for purchase. The reason why I didn't do it earlier is because there was no fabric that I was able to get. I wanted this very specific fabric, and I wanted to make sure that it had that extra protection that this fabric does have. I've been giving them away to friends and family, but I think now I'm going to upload it on my website because we're going to all need to wear it now on a regular basis, probably for the next 6 months. So please go check out my DIY mask, how to do that with a no-sew process. And if you want, soon it'll be on my website. You can go to susanelias.com, eliascouture.com, and actually purchase yours with this special fabric. Okay, also, just like I'm wearing quarantine casual. The reason why I'm wearing quarantine casual, because I actually this is the way I like to dress normally, so I'm kind of lucky. But I kind of feel that we're either going to be in quarantine casual, or we're going to be dressed up for that interview, dressed up to go for our new job placement or a new opportunity that might have us before the public eye. So I decided to put a series together called Making My Professional Wardrobe. This series is going to have very key pieces of my designs or other designs that I feel are very important, and I'm going to make them for you on the YouTube videos. You will then be able to purchase the patterns of my dresses. Yes, guys, I've been wanting to do this for 3 years. I am known for my patterns. My engineering skills is pretty advanced, and I'm able to make very good patterns, and I have for many companies all over for many years. So now I've decided, and I have a good archive of my patterns. When I did produce and mass produce my designs, last I would say 10 years or so, I have the patterns. They're all in these large envelopes. Some of them are graded. Graded meaning they're made in sizes. Like this particular one, the power dress, which I don't want to get ahead of myself, is graded in 4 sizes. I wanted to then show you the 2 dresses that I'm starting this series with, explain everything about it, and let's do that next. Alright, so the first inspiration for this segment was the Meghan Markle dress. So the Meghan Markle dress was the Victoria Beckham dress that was sold out and was all over the media. The people wanted this dress so badly. I was like, I can make that design. So I decided to show you how to make this design, flat pattern, using a design that I had previous. And I was able to show you this dress, and we actually finished the entire dress. I think it's a 3-part series on how to sew this dress and make the pattern. And it's also lined. I'm not sure if the original was lined with the zipper that goes all the way down. This I only have in the size 6 right now. So if there are people who really want this dress, then I will start to grade it, meaning make it in sizes for purchase. But right now you can purchase this in the size 6, and you can kind of judge it up or down to your body if you'd like. You will be getting it in, I have to retrace the pattern in the brown paper, and you will get the pattern per size, per design on my website. The other dress was the power dress. This was a dress of mine that was just hugely popular. I did this in a very expensive Pakistani wool way back. I've done it in cheap fabric and I've done it in very expensive fabric, and this is sort of middle of the road fabric, and it just works beautifully. These are both stretch garments, so this is a woven stretch. It is not a knit, it is a woven stretch. So I have to specify what kind of fabric it is that you can make this pattern with, but I have this in sizes. So this one I have here, I'm calling it the power dress, and I have it in a size 2, 4, 6, and 8. And you can purchase this now on the website, The Pattern. You also have a 3-part series. The last one was just put up on the power dress on how to finish and do all the finishing, how to do the zipper properly with the facing that is all in one, all the way around. And so it's a great, great dress to have. These dresses I felt are made me feel very, very strong, very, very, in control. And that's what we kind of need right now when we're going to a new job interview or whatever in the near future. And so I think that this is something that you might want. Please let me know in the comments how much more you want to see. But I have another video coming up. It's going to be a two-tone dress. It's also going to be a very powerful dress of mine that was it sold a lot of. So these are tried and true patterns, or they are socially influenced patterns, so to speak. So like the Meghan Markle dress. If there is a dress out there that is in the industry that you're just like, I wish I could get that dress, I wish I could make that pattern, and it is relevant, you can let me know about that in the comments below, and I could consider making that dress as well. So this is how it's going to be. You will go on the website, SusanElias.com or EliasCouture.com. There'll be a drop-down menu for different sizes, and there's going to be a measuring chart. Keep in mind, guys, this measuring chart, I made it as generic as possible. I didn't put 16ths of an inches and quarter of an inches. I kind of just made it very generic, but it is pretty true to the sizes of my garments and my patterns. So make sure that your measurements, your body measurements, match up with the body measurements that are on that chart, so that you pick the right size that is closest to you. You may have to adjust some of these patterns because there are some, nuances to your body that are not generic, so to speak, right? And so I think it's going to be very, very powerful for you guys to be able to do this and come along and learn how to actually sew the dress on my YouTube channel, as well as being able to purchase really, really key garments that are relevant today. I hope that's something you really want to see. Let me know in the comments more of what you want to see as well. And I thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up. Guys, I need you to subscribe so that you're on board with me and get that bell notification so you don't miss anything. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.